wind sound warning because the wind decided to pick up and the storm's actually on its way, so won't be able to get to the 58 Biscaynes frame this week because it's gonna rain and snow, but more rain. So but Tucker's decided to actually change up some things on the Jaguar, so he's not going to do the 36 Chevy anymore.
No, I don't know. I don't know why I decided, but I'm going to take the Jaguar stuff and throw it in the 56 Customline.
Yeah, it's a normal Ford Customline. We haven't.
I could utilize the bucket seats and everything in that, and I could probably modify the center console. And I could use the heater and the air, all that stuff for the back seat.
Yeah, because we've only shown this car with our Redneck Projects Tour video last year. It's just a normal Ford Customline, isn't it?
Yeah, that's all it is.
Yeah.
But this is like one of the original second or third cars I bought.
Yeah.
This and that 48 there, that's why I got them sitting over here, because I figured they're one of the first ones I picked up. These are going to be the first ones I really want to work on.
Yeah, this is the two-door sedan model, because if it was a hard top, it'd be like either a Crown Vic or some sort of a Fairlane, or I can't quite remember the lineups, because this is almost like Buck's Crown Vics, but it's just a sedan version.
Yeah, this is the lower version of the Crown.
Yeah, because Customline, gosh, I can't remember what the Customline came off of and also what it went into. I think the Customline went into the Custom 300s or something. Really can't quite remember.
I don't remember either. It's just this. I remember this is one of the first cars I was going to get, and actually this was going to be the first car I was ever get until that 66 Galaxy hiding in there showed up, and I bought that instead. But I eventually turned around, I still went and bought this.
Yeah, because this is a natural automatic, and oh, that was stiff. Yeah, front fender is a little. Yeah, it needs a hole for. Yeah, I'll get in on the other side maybe. Yeah, I'll get in on the other side. Yeah, not much to really show. There's some stuff still there. Someone put these bucket seats in, but this is pretty much his project, and we figured, well, we'll bring all of you content.
Well,
since
this might be a job of pain in the butt to try and dig that 36 out of there.
Well, maybe, because I have to move the. Yeah, but this is what he wants to do.
We got two sedans locked in, and all your Dodges sitting right around. The Dodges won't be that hard.
No, the Dodges wouldn't be in the way. It'd just be that GM and the 34 Pontiac.
Plus, I'm not missing very much on this. Just
no.
Real. I got the hood stashed in the shed.
Yeah.
I know there's a dead cat there.
Yeah, there's a ancient feline back in there. I don't know how it got in, but yeah, it just happened. And by the way, if people don't like us talking about these sort of videos, well, this video is not for you. So we're pretty much going to be just talking, because this is our content, and bring it out to Sunday, since we didn't get out to the junkyard, well, salvage yard today, because some stuff came up.
Plus, I was standing over there, and I got to thinking, I mean, from a distance, that Jag almost looks like the same width as this 56.
Yeah, it really does, doesn't it?
I'd be willing to bet, if I do my measurements right, I bet that rear end will fit underneath that.
Yeah, because the rear end on this one is actually broke. But yeah, of course, needs a new door. Someone did this stuff a long time ago. But yeah, you know, how he's talking about this stuff, and well, it actually make a lot of sense, because he needs to, of course, fix the floorboard anyways.
Plus, I know where a couple more of these things are sitting there.
Yeah, because he needs to.
I can get parts real cool.
Yeah, get some parts and everything. Oh, there's a marker stake. How did that get there? But yeah, I mean, he's got plenty of room for that 4.0 V8 in here.
Oh, these would take.
Well, these would take Cadillac engines, what Buck said.
Yeah, I know he had a 48 with a 500 Caddy.
Yeah, because Tucker's gonna put a 460
different.
in that.
Yeah,
he's got it in there, but it's gonna take a bit to dig stuff out till we get established more.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure you can fit something pretty big in this.
Yeah, because if we want to, you know, next year, you know, take this front, you know, of course, you know, take the car off, everything, redo the frame, which is no big deal. But had to find those kits for the power steering, because your deal is very similar to my 58 Fairlane. I know they got kits out there, but they're really, really hard to find. But you're going to originally do something else with this car too, but I can't remember what.
I don't remember what either.
Yeah, because you were going to work on it, but you just didn't know what to exactly put in it.
Do the work on the body,
Yeah.
and then make a decision on the engine later on. But yeah, it hit me. I mean, I got the stuff right there.
Yeah. But yeah, I mean, why not? He has other plans for the 36 Chevy already, but we'll go into details about that later. But yeah, this is, I mean, hey, be a good prime candidate for the, you know, for the Cougar. I mean, well, Jaguar, excuse me. Well, they're both cats. So yeah, I mean, it makes perfect sense because he wouldn't waste anything. Where'd that bottle come from? That must have a sack. But yeah, I mean, yeah, chain's still on it. We haven't found a good cam along yet to yank that thing back.
With the Jaguar, you had to chain it up.
But yeah, he wouldn't waste the back seats, the center console, or anything. So it's pretty much.
I mean, you guys know about how there's little tape, like little desk things that fold down behind those seats, the bucket seats.
Yeah.
I'll be able to utilize those in that.
And what color are you going to be painting that 56?
I don't know yet.
Okay. At least we could definitely put the Jaguar emblems onto that pretty easily. Of course, with this, I'll have to cut out the holders, mock them with some other steel, and measure out and put some indentations on there in the fenders. So, Ford Crestline Jaguar, or Jagline, or Crestor. I don't know how to name it. I don't know. Have to come up with some name. Of course, we're going to save this, but don't know what to put it in. Definitely not in that, though.
I do not want that.
Yeah. So, yeah, gotta figure some stuff out. But yeah, kind of wish that the weather would stay normal, because you can kind of see over there to the north. Yeah, we're gonna get that storm. We're gonna get hit pretty hard on Sunday and Monday. So
Working on streetlights next week.
yeah, he's been so busy. He hasn't been doing much of his projects. I've been wanting to do some of my stuff. Yeah.
But yeah,
Yeah, so definitely put the guts and everything into this, and whatever custom stuff into that 56 Ford Crestline. Yeah.
Because I'll have more room to put if I do utilize the wiring harness and all that stuff.
You got more room for everything. Be interesting how that, what is it, independent rear end on this or whatever it is.
Like someone told me they're similar to Corvettes.
Yeah. Wait, what year Corvettes did they say? Okay. Yeah, well, so again, apologies for this kind of content of a video, but you know, it's content. Again, if you don't like us gabbing, talking about projects, even though we're a car channel, I mean, that's up to you. So this video's not for you. But I'll hopefully get out there Wednesday, this coming Wednesday, to look at the Gran Torinos and pick up some parts and such. Yeah, I gotta pop the hood. But other than that, yeah, I guess instead of the 36 Chevy and wasting some parts, might as well
I think
put
it might be a heavier car to handle that jag.
Should be. Wouldn't have to do, but I think. Really would, because Buck put his 428 Super Cobra Jet down in his 56 Fairlane without the frame or anything, because that originally had that 390, then had the 428, then he switched it out. He didn't have to tube it.
Super Cobra,
Yeah. Which should be ready sometime for a ride video. Well, hopefully ride it with him, but if not, then you know, we'll just have to find out. Of course, he's been getting quite, you know, very busy himself too during the winter. Well, we just have to see. So that pretty much sums up everything with just a little bit of a car chat. And so it's permanent. Are you going to put the Jaguar into the 56? Alright, that's what he decided. So that'll pretty much be a thing next year. Tear the frame off of that. And well, hopefully next week I'll move
panels and stuff like that. That's easy. That's quick.
Yeah, that's easy to fix. But I think your driver's side door is messed up though, it has to be replaced.
Yeah, I already know where one is.
Yeah. But move the rest of the wood, get everything else situated. Yeah. But again, move the rest of the wood, get the road runners back, and I'll actually start working on the front end of the 76. I actually got a deal, kind of configured out to MacGyver around so that way I can adjust the front frame over. You got to get one of those little torches and everything, one of those blow torches that you light up, you know, those blue tanks, whatever it is, so we can just heat up the frame so much and then just bend it over without messing anything, and then throw out stuff on the deal. I know people complain that we're doing too many projects, but hey, that's what we gotta do. Is how things are gonna get restored. That's what we do. We like to multitask.
You see a lot of people do that.
Yeah, a lot of people do that, but
they'll have multiple cars sitting there working on a little bit here and there.
Yeah.
Hell, our friend does that.
Yeah, a lot of people in this area that we know that does that. I mean, of course, especially me with stuff that's going on up here, I gotta multitask. That's why I got all the channels and stuff too. But it's pretty much everything in a nutshell. Change of plans. Permanent change of plans?
Permanent.
Alright. You heard it from Tucker, it's permanent. Guts in the Jaguar, and Jaguar are going to go into the 56 Ford Customline 2-door sedan. Or Customline, excuse me. Yeah, it's Customline. What'd I call it? That's not right. That's Customline. Let's go over and look real fast. I'm not making an idiot. Yeah, I'm making an idiot of myself here. Of course, not the first time. But we're going to go right up here to the chrome piece.
There you go, Customline. Yeah.
Customline. Not Crestline, Customline.
Do we have a Crestline out here?
After this video, we better go check. So, on that note, me and Tucker, we bid you adieu. We're going to go over and look see if we even have one. Because even though we got all our cars written down, we can't remember them all. Well, we can remember them all, but not the full names. What happens when you get older? But we're going to head off now. So all of you have a go now. Take care and stay safe. See you later.